Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Nate, and welcome back to another episode of Pony Power Garage. Now, we got something special for you guys today in this video. So I know if you guys recall my last video, we were talking about, we had an announcement that we were going to be doing. And well, then also if you follow me on Snapchat, I did the same thing. So this is the announcement. So a lot has happened since the last time we had posted, which was our last video, which was 2 weeks ago, which was us doing the engine cleaning. So in that video, we were talking about how to hold the V8 out and everything like that, and we went to go look at a couple race cars. Well, this is the announcement. So my dad and I had bought two hobby stocks. Well, one's a hobby stock and the other one is a stock car, and we are going to be basically building a hobby stock, and that will be the class that I will be starting in this season 2026. With all of that, we did something. We ended up selling the V6. So I sold the V6 because that's my baby. At the end of the day, everyone knows that. And I stayed in connect with the lady that I sold it to. She was a sweetheart. And I basically just told her, like just kind of keep me in the loop. I love the car, and really hard for me to sell her. But at the end of the day, I had to think about myself, my career. So I'm a mobile mechanic, and so I help my locals around my area, and I just help them if they're broken down or not, whatever. I just go and I do the labor pricing, and I do it for a very low price just to help people out. So I need a truck to be able to do that. If you guys recall my last video as well, I couldn't even take my engine down to the power washer, which was like 2 blocks away. I had to push it on the engine stand because I didn't want to load it into my Mustang because it probably wouldn't have fit anyways. And so I could have used it. I needed a truck essentially. So I've always been in situations where I've needed a truck, and my dad has one, but I can't always use it because it is his daily. So I just needed a truck at the end of the day. I have a project car, I have my V8 still, and it just was time to let her go. So I sold her, and with that money, I'm going to be buying an F-150. It is lifted, it's got an exhaust on it, and I got a great deal on it, and I'm going to pick that up tomorrow. And so we're going to take you guys along with us on going to today. We're going to get the two race cars, and then tomorrow we're going to get the truck. And I'm not going to talk about the race cars. I'm not really going to talk too much about the truck or than what I've already said. And we're going to just take you guys along with us. Hope you guys want to enjoy the video. If you guys do, drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content just like this and to keep me in the algorithm. Without further ado, guys, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get it. All right, y'all, man. So Pops just got here with the U-Haul trailer. We don't have a flatbed quite yet, but we're gonna pull her with the ICS van. So we'll probably have to make 2 trips because we're only able to get this one trailer. So we'll probably have to, which it's only like an hour away, so it shouldn't take us too long to get it all up and everything. But yeah, we're about to be heading out here shortly. All right, guys, man, we just got here with my boy Chris, my Pops. So yeah, we're here to pick up the 2 race cars. About to load it up on there. We were gonna wrench it, but now we're just gonna basically, my dude's gonna basically pull it with his truck and plow and push it up onto the trailer. So let's go. All right, you guys, man. So it's a new day. I didn't record much this morning. All I did was just drank some coffee and got some breakfast in me. Pops and I are on our way right now to go pick up my new truck. We have decided on a different truck. So we are on our way now to go pick her up. Then depending on if the guy wants to be recorded or not, we might not record that process. Then record once we get back to the house and show you guys the truck. So we're kind of mixed up between these 2 days, just because the dude that I bought the truck from didn't want to be recorded. So I obviously respected him for that. And I didn't want to do the reveal until I got back here at the house. So we just figured that we'd do both of the reveals because I didn't necessarily show you guys the race car earlier. I just showed you guys the trailer and we were picking the car up. And then I let you guys know that we were picking the truck up. And so now we have the truck here. I'm actually currently cleaning it out. And then we have the race car right here. So without further ado, guys. So here is the race car. So now I didn't necessarily record this because me and my dad kind of just regrouped and started doing it ourselves. But we took the heads off. Everything looks super clean. Everything is good. And so we're super excited. We're going to end up probably putting this together and getting it started. And then, kind of go from there, which isn't going to take much. We have basically everything within the car to basically get it to start. So we're going to be doing a video on that, probably most likely. And so Yeah. And so here's the race car. Boom. Boom. Super clean. You know, obviously needs some work. I mean, what do you get? You know, so this is one of the race cars, and we were only able to get one of them right now because my dad didn't want to have to drive back another hour to go get the other one again, which I understand. And so we're going to be going to pick that one up another day. That one's just a roller. It doesn't have the engine or a tranny. So there's that. So here's the race car. This will be the race car that I probably most likely end up racing. And so with this, you guys know that I told you I sold the Mustang to buy a truck. And this is the truck. So it is a 2008 F-150. Super fucking clean. I'm currently, like I said, I'm still cleaning it all out, vacuuming it and everything like that. It's got a Bluetooth radio, everything like that. It comes with the O2 sensor. Dude said that he was going to put this is a kid, by the way, 19 years old, super cool fucking kid. And he just bought a new truck, and he just, you know, he lives in an apartment, and this was just sitting around. So I got a super fucking good deal on it. And so this will probably be the car, or the truck that I work out of. And I'm going to be getting license plates that say Pony PG for Pony Power Garage, everything like that. And yeah, so super stoked, man. I mean, this truck is, for what I paid for it, super clean. Super clean. I got a lot of ideas for her, getting her lifted, getting some tire spacers, you know, different tires, different rims, you know, really putting the right attachments on this baby to make it look mean. There wasn't really anything wrong with her. She like runs a little weird when in overdrive, but also with a new O2 sensor, all new spark plugs, and getting an oil change, I think this will run a hell of a lot better. She's super powerful. She got a 5.3 V8 Triton. And yeah, so this is the truck, guys. But anyways, guys, that's the video. I was hoping to get a little more recording done. But it was just, I mean, literally in these past 3 days, I mean, has been super stressful. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Everything worked out. Got the 2 race cars, got the truck, got a clean truck, got a smooth deal for it. And I know most of you guys probably know that I was supposed to get that the black F-150, or it was actually the black F-250, and it was the Longhorn, like it was not Longhorn, but it was like a super edition. I can't remember the exact edition, but it was super fucking cool. Had an exhaust on it. I mean, it was fucking, they had the whole deal. And I messaged the dude on Wednesday asking if we were still on for Saturday, and he was like, yep. And then I messaged him on the way back from picking the race car up, and I guess he ended up selling it right under my nose. And so I get it. You know, when cash comes to you, you gotta, you know, take it. But so we missed out on that one. But I think at the end of the day, that was God telling me that truck was a piece of shit. And that one's way better. So who really got the deal, brother? Anyways, guys, hope you guys went on to enjoy the video. If you guys did, drop a like, comment down below, and click that subscribe button for more content, and to stay along with the fucking program with what we have set for this car, man. I'm super excited. Hope you guys are too. But anyways, man, hope you guys have a great rest of your guys' day. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.